watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to this collection of warm and inviting winter coffee table design ideas. As you decorate your coffee table with seasonal accessories that create a cozy and welcoming ambiance, you can embrace the warmth and charm of winter. Let's look at these lovely winter coffee table decor suggestions. Winter coffee table vignette. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your house, use pine cones, fresh evergreens, and winter-colored vases. Texture and glowing candles. To add coziness and warmth to your coffee table design, use a variety of textures and glowing candles to create a mood. Favorite coffee table books for inspiration. Inspire and improve your winter decor arrangement with the help of coffee table books. Coffee table converted from an old wire spool. Turn an old wire spool into a coffee table by centering it with different heights and textures, resembling a distinctive newspaper tree. Transitioning with winter whites and metallics. To quietly extend the holiday spirit, use winter whites, metallics, and greenery to transition your coffee table decor and create a wintry ambiance. Changing textures and levels on rectangle tables. Use baskets and book stacks to create a variety of textures and levels in different sections of rectangle tables. Two sections with and without a tray. When decorating your coffee table, try putting two vignettes together, one with a tray and the other without, to highlight various decorating approaches. Simple vase of flowers. A simple vase of flowers will quickly brighten and revitalize your room, so refresh your coffee table with one. Makeover of a barn sale table. To add flair to your coffee table decor, take an ordinary barn sale table and turn it into a gorgeously distressed item. Rustic tray with wintry accents. To create a gorgeous centerpiece, start with a rustic tray and decorate it with wintry elements like candles, pine cones, and miniature evergreen branches. Antique winter scene in a cloche. To give your coffee table decor a nostalgic feel, assemble an antique winter scene inside a cloche. Textured pillows and fake fur blankets. To add coziness and warmth to your coffee table, layer it with textured pillows and fake fur blankets. Seasonal fragrant potpourri display. Present a bowl of fragrant potpourri as a lovely visual accent on your coffee table. Create a fanciful centerpiece by creating your own DIY snow globe terrariums with jars, little winter figurines, and artificial snow. Evergreen branches in glass vases. To bring the beauty of nature within and create the impression of a winter woodland, arrange trimmed evergreen branches in tall glass vases. These creative and useful coffee table decorating ideas can help you make over your place for the winter. Which of these ideas most closely matches the way you want to decorate your coffee table for winter? Enjoy putting these suggestions into practice to make your house seem warm and welcoming.